Okay, hello everyone. So today we will discuss about how you can read the content of files, okay, which is already there. So first we will see about the what are the content in a file to write.txt file. Okay, so let me check whether this file is there inside a memory. I have opened it. Okay, this. So what are the contents of this file? The name of the file is file to write and it is txt file. And what are the content? How many lines are there? One, two, three, four. First line is welcome to the class of Java file handling. Then second line is hope you have successfully created the file in Java. Next line is and now it's time to read it. And the last line is so let's do it. Okay, so these are the contents of Java file. Then uh, we will see uh, how to read the file. Okay, so the file to write file is already there inside a memory, so you can open that file, already created file, with the help of file object. So here I have opened it. I have created the file object, my object equal to new, and in this constructor I have passed the name of the file which I want to open. Okay, so in the very first lecture of file handling, we have discussed that with the file object you can uh, open the file, and if it is and how to create that. If it is not there inside a memory, you need to invoke the method create file, right? Create file, that method you need to invoke with the file object. But we are not interested to create a file, we are just interested to open the file. So here that file will get open, and then here you, for the reading purpose, we have used the scanner class. Scanner class you will found in the utility package. Okay, that's why util package you need to import in your program to use the scanner class. Scanner class, the object of scanner class I have created. The name of the object is myReader equal to scanner. Again it is parameterized constructor, and what I have passed the file object over here because that file I need to read. Okay, then you need to read line by line. So I have used while statement over here, which is for iterating purpose. Line by line reading is expected over here. So with the scanner object, you will be uh, invoking the has next method for traversing the file line by line. Okay, so now, what is the purpose of this has next method, has next line method? It will return you true if it is not end of the file, and it will return you false. This while loop will become false when has next line has the uh, false value. Okay, when this my reader will reach to the end of the file, this has next line method will return the false value, right? So now it will now the has next the my reader will point to the first line of the file. Then here we have used the next line method. This next line method of scanner class will return you the string object, which is nothing but the line which the has next line is pointing, that sorry, that my reader is pointing. So my reader is now pointing to the first line in the file, which is welcome to the uh, welcome to the Java programming. So with this next line method, it will return the line uh, which this my reader object is pointing, right? So my reader is pointing to the first line that will get copied into the string object. Okay, and that copied line we are here printing with system.out.println. So first line will get printed on the screen. Welcome to the class of Java file handling. Then again it will jump on this iteration, right? Has next. So it is not end of the file, so it will return true. Next line will point to the next line of that file that will get copied into this data that will get printed over here, next line, next line, next line, till end of the file. When has next will reach the end of the file, it will return false value, and this while loop will get terminated, and then at the end we are closing the file. Okay, how to close file? myreader dot close. And if this process is raising an exception, this will catch in the catch block file not found exception, and it will get printed on the screen. So let's run this. So the for statement will get read over here. Uh, so basically has next at the beginning of line, has next will pointing, has next will be having the true value because it is not end of the file, right? The my reader is pointing to the first statement. Then this with my reader your my reader dot next line will give you this, this string will get copied into the string, and that will get written by this method. Which method? Next line method. Okay, next line method will return this line, which will get copied into the data, right, which is of type string. Then that data will get copied. Then in next iteration it will point to your file object will point to this line, and so next line will return this line, which will get copied into data, and that will get printed. Then in next iteration it will point, the object will point, file object will point to this line, and next line will return you this statement, which will get copied into data, and that will get printed. Then at this particular line it will get copied into data and printed on the screen. But afterward this, the has next line will return the false value because it is end of the file, because has next found that it is end of the file. So it will terminate the loop and it will come out of the loop. So this is all about the reading the file. Okay, so thank you so much.